Ready to ditch the default Blogger URL and give your blog a professional, branded identity. Let's connect your GoDaddy domain to Blogger in just 90 seconds. First, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to your domains management page. Look for the DNS settings. This is where we'll make the magic happen. Once you're in your DNS settings, we need to add some specific records we're looking for in a record type. You'll add 4 of these. For the first record, set the host to @ which represents your main domain, and for the value, enter the first IP address provided by Blogger, which is 2,160,293,221. Repeat this process for the next 3 records, using the remaining 3 IP addresses from Blogger. 2,160,393,421. 2,160,393,621, and 2,160,393,821. Ensure the host is always @ for these. Next, we need to add a CNAME record for the host. Enter www, and for the value, type google.com. This tells the internet to send traffic for your domain.com to Google's servers. Now, let's head over to your Blogger dashboard. Go to Settings, then find the Publishing section, and click on Custom Domain. Enter your custom domain name here, for example, yourdomain.com, and click Save. You might see an error initially. That's normal. It can take a few minutes for the DNS changes to propagate across the internet. Just give it a moment. Once the changes have fully processed, your custom domain will be active in Blogger, and that's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now successfully connected, giving your blog a professional look and feel happy blogging.